In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your subscriptions in Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to find and use a ready-made template so you can track all your recurring payments in one clean dashboard. By the end, you'll have a system set up to monitor what you're paying for, how much it costs, and when those payments are due. First, open Notion and head to any workspace or page where you'd like your subscription tracker to live. This can be an existing workspace you already use, or a clean space created just for managing finances. The important thing is that you're logged in and looking at your main Notion interface. Next, we're going to access the template marketplace. Look for the option that lets you explore templates or the marketplace, usually found in the sidebar or in the panel where Notion promotes templates. Once you're on the marketplace page, you'll see a variety of templates created either by Notion or by the community. At the top of that marketplace page, click on the search bar. This is where we'll narrow things down so we don't have to scroll through every possible template. Click once to activate it and make sure your cursor is blinking in the search field so you're ready to type. Now type the word subscription into the search bar. This search term is going to bring up templates that are specifically designed for tracking subscriptions, recurring bills, and related expenses. Give it a moment to load the results, and you should see several different options appear, each with a short description and a preview of what the template looks like. Take a moment here to scan through the available subscription templates. Look at the names, the preview images, and any brief descriptions that appear. Some templates might focus on personal subscriptions like streaming services and apps, while others may be tailored more toward business tools and software. Choose one that fits the way you think and the kind of subscriptions you have. When you've decided, click on the template you want to use to open its detailed page. On the templates page, you'll see an option to add it to your workspace, often labeled as Add or Use this template. Click on that button. Notion will then copy this template into your own workspace, creating a new page for you. From here, you can customize the fields, add your own subscriptions, and start using it as your central hub for